Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce for email marketing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically, for email marketing, you will need to have, first of all, some things to make sure or to make clear for your strategy. So, first, you will need, for example, to understand your audience. You will need just to set up the Salesforce for email marketing by using some launchers, and you will need just to get a grasp on your strategy. After that, there will come the application layer or what you can truly do and apply in Salesforce. So basically for that, you can either start using some apps that will do this email automation and sending from Salesforce. So you can just go to the app launcher, to the app exchange, and after that we can go to the app exchange and see any tool that will help in um, managing the mailing. So basically, you can just type mail, and from there, you can find many mailing applications like the Mailtrap or Mailchimp, etc. So we can go for this one, and you can try to search uh, for any mailing integration that you can use, like the journey mail that will start sending your emails to your audiences. And basically, there is another way is by creating a flow. So you can just go to the setup and simply go to flows. And from there, you can create a flow to automate the sending of your emails. We can go use start from scratch, and from here we can do an auto launched flow with no triggers, and from there you can start adding an action which you can add either some configurations like you will need to get your contacts. So basically, you will need to get the contacts of your records. I mean the records of your contacts. So from here, you will need to select contacts as an object. So from here, we will need just to search for contacts, and you will need to search for the fields that you would like and which records that you want to get. And after that, you can start looping from these actions or from these records. And whenever you are getting a record, you will need just to add the contact to an email list. And after that, you will need to have a send email at the end action. And from here, you will need just to add all the action that you want, like the body, the recipient ID, which would be, for example, the ID of the record that you get, which is your contact, etc., etc. And after that, you will be able to start automating your flow, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.